Hello guys, welcome back. If you love to trade like this, hit me up so that I get to teach you how to catch these sniper entries, although this is purely based on price actions. So here I had a boom 1000 trade, which is basically based on what this particular strategy which I'm giving to you guys today. But the first one is based on price action. So as you can see, I had my entries in and I had a little bit of drawdown before the spikes. Okay, before the spike, it wasn't so much of a sniper entry, but although it went in our favor, guys. So guys, I close out my trade. So as you can see, I've taken my profits, guys. So based on what we are seeing here, guys, based on what we are seeing here, guys, I was expecting the market to go further, but based on the fact that I'm following the strategy, guys, based on the fact that I'm following the strategy, I just had to take my profit. So you see, it was more of a break and retest, guys. So when it came down, I just had to like go in, and because I know it will certainly spike, that area was an area of support, so I knew it was definitely gonna spike. So right now I'm gonna be looking for spike trades on crash 1000. But take note, guys, this strategy actually work both ways. It's a dual way strategy. You can actually use it to like catch spikes and also use it to catch pick the ticks, guys. All right, so it's a combination of the previous old strategy and some new settings, guys, to perfect it. So if you don't want to catch spike, guys, you can actually trade scalp when the Chimoku crosses changes from green to red. That's for crash, and buy if it changes from blue to this to green. So so now, as you can see, I'm putting some more entries because I found an opportunity on boom 1000 again after some few hours, guys. So I found an opportunity on boom 1000 again. As you can see, we have the Chimoku and the other shandies meeting. The Chimoku and the moving averages are meeting at the buy zone, and also we have that support level which I just drew there. So we have that support level. So right now what we have is we have been able to catch that spike. I'm expecting some more I'm expecting some more spike, guys. I'm expecting some more spike. I'm expecting some more spike, guys. So what we will do is we just have to wait. We just have to wait for the spikes to come, guys. We just have to wait for the spikes to come. All right, guys. So let's just wait for the spikes. Let's just wait for the spike. You get to see it, guys. You get to see it. You get to see that it's gonna spike. So we have the first test of that level, and the second test is the third one. So definitely it should actually spike. And let's see if it gets to spike. Let's see. But as we are waiting, guys, get to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and also follow us on the Telegram channel, guys. A lot is going on there. Oh my god, this is too much. So it has actually spiked again. So we are going to be closing out our entries now. So we're going to be closing out our entries because it has actually done more than I actually thought. But I was actually expecting a second spike. So in less than 3 minutes, guys, let's say 5 minutes in total, guys. See, this is massive, guys. This is massive. This is really what massive. So I've been able to close my trade, guys. Let me show you how the strategy actually works. Let me just show you. So right now, the reason why we took that trade is we have the candles hitting at what the support level, a very strong level of support, and also we have the Chimoku, the moving averages, and the MACD. Okay, meeting at the buy zone. Based on that, guys, we just had to like take our buys. We just had to take our buys. All right. So based on that, to look at this area. Look at this area, guys. So whenever it touches our buy zone, you can buy, and also you can also sell when it touches the sell zone, and also it changes color like we are seeing like in the previous strategy, guys. This is a modified version. This is a modified version of the previous strategy. So you see, changes color, you sell, and then when it touches the spike zone, you catch spike. Also for catching of spike, actually it only works for the boom 1000. I won't recommend you trying to like try to catch spikes on crash 1000 because I tried it many times and it failed. It failed tremendously. So you can see you could have just sold after the crossover of the Ichimoku and the moving average. And also, if you see the zero level of the MACD, that level where it changes from where it spiked and crosses over the level which is it changes over and crosses over, so that zero level where it moved, so you can actually still sell. See that sell zone. So based on the fact that it touches the sell zone and when it changes color from the Ichimoku changes color and the MACD crosses over, all right, so then you can actually like take your sales, guys. So you see that line level which I drew, that tiny level of the MACD. So you can see you can actually take your sales and you can also catch spikes with this particular strategy. So it's a very wonderful strategy, guys. I actually take my time. This actually took me a long time to actually get the ideas for this strategy. So guys, please endeavor to hit the like button and click on the subscription button, and also share this video to your friends, guys. Share this video to your friends. So guys, endeavor to follow us on the Telegram channel. So it's a wonderful strategy, guys. It's a very wonderful strategy. So you see guys, so you see this area, it's actually crossed. Let me just show you. It touches the sell zone, all right? So what do you do when it touches the sell zone? You just have to wait, all right? You just have to wait for the Ichimoku to change color. If you want to like sell, all right, if you want to sell, you wait for the Ichimoku to change color from that to red. Okay, when it crosses like that, guys, you have the free ride to sell. And if you can also catch spikes with this strategy, guys, you can also catch spikes with this strategy. So look at this wonderful area here. You see what happened? It spiked to the upside because the moving average and the MACD and the Ichimoku were meeting at the point. So based on that, we buy. All right. So based on that, we buy. Okay. Based on that, we buy. Those of you who have actually watched my previous video, and if you haven't, just go there. Understanding the sell part will not actually be too hard. All right, it will not actually be too hard, but just know that this is a modernized strategy from the previous one. Okay, in that this strategy can actually catch spikes. And what I actually recommend for you is a boom 1000. All right, boom 1000 to catch spikes. So you see, they met at a point. What happened? You enter, and what happened? It will spike. So I only recommend boom 1000. And when catching spike, use the third zoom level. All right, use the third zoom level. So guys, this month, the month of September, was actually a slow month. If you were not profitable, so just be patient. I'm sure the year is not finally done. So we still have about October, we still have November, and we still have December. A lot can actually change, because I believe that God is miraculous God. So if He wants to bless us, He will bless us. So you don't have to force anything. You see, it changes color here. What happened? You have to just sell, guys. So now let's look at the crash 1000. All right, let's look at the crash 1000. So on the crash 1000, we are just looking to what to buy. All right, on to buy. We are not going to be selling. We are not going to be catching spike for crash 1000. So for only boom 1000, I'll be catching spike. So you see, I was able to establish my support and resistance level, all right, on boom 1000. So once you do that, guys, it makes the whole thing simple and easy for you. All you just have to do is just to do what? Execute, guys. So now let's look at crash 1000 together, guys. So let's look at crash 1000 together. Let's look at crash 1000 together. So guys, looking at crash 1000, you can actually see that I picked my support level and a certain level of resistance, guys, and I kept, guys. I saved those levels. So now this was my support level, and the level above is my resistance level. All right, so you just have to wait for the market to sell down to what the sell level, to the support level. Then you look for a change in color. You look for a change in color of that MACD and the Ichimoku. You wait, the MACD crosses over, the Ichimoku changes color, and then you can buy. Even after it spike, you can still buy. All right, you can just be scalping 20 to 30 candles as the case may be. All right, when if the conditions are fulfilled and you don't have anything to worry about, you don't actually have anything to worry about, because this strategy is actually a wonderful one, guys. It's actually a wonderful one. It's a wonderful strategy. So you see here, it changes color. What happens? It changes color. All you have to do is you buy. All right, it changes color, you buy. So it's a wonderful strategy. Just endeavor to hit the like button, subscribe, share the video. Just take your time to like watch the video. I understand that I might be very fast, but once you watch this video over and over again, you actually get to like understand what I'm talking about, guys. So it changes color. You have to what sell to, you have to buy. All right. So but for the boom 1000, boom 1000 is only a recommended pair, which I recommend that you can actually like catch spikes. All right, and you can catch spikes, and you can also catch spikes, and you can also trade the both ways. You can catch spikes and you can also sell, guys. So that's the only pair which I recommend that you can actually trade both ways. So other than that, you stick to Crash 1000 and any other pairs which you want to um be trading. But I advise you to stick to Crash 1000 and Boom 1000. You see, after the spike, what happened? If you buy, you buy when it changes color. You buy when it changes color, guys. So you buy when it changes color. So you see that after the spike, it changes color, you buy. You can take 20 to 30 candles at most, guys. If you want to check, you can actually. But being on the safer hands, is sticking to 20 candles, um, at most, guys, sticking to 20 candles. So please, guys, share this video. Share this video to your friends. Share this video to your friends, and just wait patiently to the end, because it's in the end that I share the settings for this particular strategy, guys. It's in the end I share the settings for this particular strategy. So, guys, as you can see here, all right, as you can see, it's actually ranging. So I'm looking for a place where there was like a very good opportunity, guys, so that I show you. See, it changes color. What happened? You buy. It changes color, you buy. You don't just have to be scared, guys. Since you understand the strategy and you understand the theory, all you have to do is just follow the rules of the strategy. So there's nothing much to that. There's nothing much to that, guys. So there's nothing much to that. So see this, see what's actually happening here. It changes color here, you buy. It changes color, you buy, guys. So right now, let me show you the settings for this particular strategy. We might have the MACD, fast EMA 12, slow EMA 26, MACD SMA 9, apply to close. Style is 3 pixel, signal 4 pixel. So just copy the way it is, guys. So for the relative strength index is the same like every other one in the previous strategy. So you just have to copy it the way it is, guys. So you just have to copy it the way it is. We have the moving average, the next one. So for the moving average, we have period 50, shift 0, method exponential, apply to low, and then the last one is the Ichimoku, guys. The last one is the Ichimoku, guys. So you just have to like copy the way it is, guys, and also follow us.